case. This is the monitor I'm gonna be using. The Intel i5 processor. 8 gigs of RAM here. 500-watt power supply. A NVIDIA EVGA GeForce 1060 SUPERCLOCKED edition. And I forgot what size this SSD is, but Corsair water cooler. Normal case I'm gonna be using for the CPU. And I got a few tools here. This mouse is really nice too. It's Razer Basilisk wireless keyboard and a tins. The motherboard is a B85M G43, so I'll probably be one to upgrade. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is try and fit this power supply into this hole here. So this needs to be installed like so. I need to get my screwdriver set. This is like really important to have this right here. They don't really say like which one or what part. Whatever fits, alright? Okay, so I've almost screwed in everything so far. Now what I can do is start threading these cables. Okay, so now I have all the cables threaded through this port, or this little hole, and the PSU right there. So it looks right. So now I'm just gonna place this in. Get the screws to do that, which are right here. And we can tell that this is the way it goes in. What I don't have is a metal panel right here, but it might not matter. All right, so I got all the parts laid out. You see a nice setup here so far, but it's nothing extravagant. Like, I've been using this same setup for like years. What I'm rocking, and yeah. All I've really done was I put the PSU in. You can see the cords kind of sitting out right there. And that's the PSU. And yeah, I'm just gonna begin setting this up. Just gotta screw everything in. And it's really simple actually. All I need to do is get these screws, and I'm just gonna start screwing them into these holes. We'll be back. All right, so I've came a long way, even though it doesn't look like it, because I started installing the water cooler. I just had to screw on the risers here. And now all I'm gonna do is add a bit of thermal paste. Now it looks like I still need to wipe some off.